Hey gang, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's a little bit dreary day here, but we gotta try to get some work done. Hey, if you're new here, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button. And y'all don't forget the thumbs up and leave me a comment, because I sure enjoy reading them. I don't know what we're gonna get into today. We've got a surprise out here that they've left us on the porch. We'll go out here and check it out. And I think we've got some edging to do. And we've got a little job to do to help one of our friends out. Terry, the one that used to help us out here at the sawmill some, he's got a little project he's wanting us to do. And I think we're going to try to get up there today and get started on it anyway. So y'all come on with me. We'll see what we can get into. UPS man left us 2 packages. We got 2 boxes there of double hard turbo 739s. There's 10 in each box, so we got 20 new blades. And there's a couple of poplar. These here's pine here. So it's break time. I've come up here to the house. I forgot my lunchbox. I'm ready to see what my wife's got in there for us to eat for lunch. Or not lunch, it's actually my breakfast. And we've got those boards edged. That's what we're going to use for lath on Terry's job. We've loaded it up in the truck and we're going to carry them with us when we go. We'll be going up there here in just a little bit. And we're waiting on my son right now because he's going to go with us, but he's in the woods deer hunting. I've done sent him messages. He says he's got deer around him and he's not wanting to leave. So, I don't know. It may be a long wait. But I got another surprise. There's some more packages that came in. I'll carry you out here after I get through eating and show you what they are. We've ordered some new bearings. We'll have to check and see if these are the right ones. I think I just ordered half enough, I believe. I thought I was ordering sets of 2, and they were just single bearings in each pack. Yeah. Well, I've got 2 big bearings. It was set to 2, I guess. They're both in that pack. I must have just got screwed up on my order. I thought I ordered 2 of these packs, but they only sent 2 bearings. What I needed was 2 here and 2 here of the big bearings. And then I thought I ordered 5 of these small rotor bearings. There's 2 of them goes behind this. And there's 1 goes right here. And then 2 more over here. And I only got 3 of those. But I think they're the right bearing. I'll bring you over here and let's see. These here's got a groove wore in them. I think that's going to be some of our blade breakage, I believe. See, right here is the big bearing. You can see that. It's hard to see on this phone, I'm sure, but it's got about a 1/16 of a groove wore in the middle of it. And then there's 2 small bearings down below these bolts right here. That's what they look like. So yeah, I got to order 2 more big ones and 2 more small ones. All right, I went ahead and took this off to look to make sure, and it's a good thing I did. There's only 1 big bearing here and only 1 small bearing. So I just need to order 1 more big one and 1 small one, and I'll have the rest of them. Right here's the other small bearing. I don't know how I got screwed up, but it's a good thing they didn't send me as many as I thought. I'd have been having to send them back. Alright, my son, he finally came out of the woods. It took about another hour. We beat our break. We're getting ready to head up to Terry's. I was checking on the fire. It's warmed up enough that we don't need any more fire here today, so we're going to let that go out. So y'all come on, we'll head up there and see what we can get done. It'll probably take us a few days to do it, so let's go see what we can do. So what we're doing here is that's a 18-wheeler trailer there that you can see. He's bolted him a board up at the top, and we're going to make a side shed off the side of it here. These are light poles that we're using, and he's got a pulling tractor. He's into this tractor pulls, and this is what he's building this for, to park his pulling tractor under. So y'all hang on with us here. We'll see what we can get done the rest of the evening here. All right, it's about 5:15 p.m. We got quite a bit done there at Terry's. We didn't get there till it was lunchtime or so when we got there. We got the post set, the beam up and part of the rafters on. We'll probably, tomorrow, if it's not raining, we'll put the lath on and have it ready for the 10. You can see it's dark out here now, and I'm about wore out. Climbing up and down those ladders, when you're not used to it, it takes a few days to get back in the habit of that. And we hadn't done it in a little while now, so I'll be sore in the morning. I just got through putting the chickens up for the night and locking them down, so maybe the varmints won't get to them. I don't think we're going to have to build a fire here in the stove. It's pretty warm and trying to rain. Now, we've got a cold front coming in tonight, I think, and the temperatures are going to fall down in the low 30s, and I think around the high 50s, something like that. It's going to be a cold Thanksgiving from what I can understand here. But I hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving. I probably won't make another video until Friday. So, happy Thanksgiving to you if I don't see you before then. And I hope God blesses you. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching. I pray God blesses you, and I'll see you in the next one.